Hello my dear family members, from 6th September all the coding questions in Accenture on campus drive are being repeatedly asked. So if you still didn't watch the playlist regarding Accenture on campus in this channel, then please watch that, link is given in the description box, and subscribe this channel to get such content. So let's see what is the questions that is asked today and repeatedly asked. The question is regarding unique subsequence. Actually, I have already uploaded the solution part of this question, so I will not explain briefly. Just I will show you the solution and just reading the question if you didn't watch that, right? So Alice gave you a binary string str containing only 0 and 1 and asked you to count the unique subsequences which are equal string. Alice defines an equal string as a string which contains an equal number of 0 and 1. Your task is to print the total number of equal string that can be formed using the given binary string. Input format is this. The line contains a string str representing the string to be checked, and the output format is this. Print the count of the unique subsequences which are equal string. So constraints are as follows. Please maintain that. And here the sample input, that is if the string is 001011, then output will be 5, and the string is 0011, the output will be 2. And you can watch the explanation part, how is this become 5 and how is this become 2. Link will be given in the description box. Please watch that, you will got to know how this happened, right? Okay, let's see just the solution. So here I have written the Python code already. So if you need any assistant or any confusion if you have, then please let me know. I will give you the solution in the comment section. Or if you need Java solution or C++ solution, then let me know. I will be there with you, right? Before we end the session, I would request you to please suggest me on which topic I should make content, and please subscribe this channel to get such content. Thank you for today's session.